I say. Ta-da! Psych! Why don't we liven up this party a bit? You've made quite a few friends on the way up, haven't you?
Oh, Hepperman's back, critic. Back and more inspired than ever.
Shut your trap, Harry, the outlaw man.
How dare you kiss me, you holy slimer!
Take that back.
How do you like that? I've had it with this fucking tower! Oh shit!
Peter strikes ready or not. Everything becomes so like this, coming hard. And then the time is very at thought. After playing nice, you're all gonna rot. I want to remember the death of the artist. But you sheriff, deputy too. The TV program will need a new host. You're not a real voice abomination. I'm sick of games, sick of playing along with your shit. Now it's time to bring the pain that this tower inflicted on me. Here I stand, facing down to start those who enjoy my torment. I'm not your free entertainment. Stand on that wall, you'll be down.
It's already! And I got me!
I won't get away, my time must be repaid. Your ass king's under wings to pick target and prey. Climb the goddamn tower to save a shop and be devoured by lasers of power. No more will be no cower. All day long if I harass me, push me way past insanity. I will have got a special delivery. It's on extra fees. The unsmoke you the extra chicken. The hang his badge and his gun. Cut the footage, the host is all done. That's the cologne, it melts into goo. The face is gone too, which leaves only you. The head of the land was brand is so bland. You just gotta fly on that funny guy. Prepare to go down, you damn pizza clown.
History to find out for years to come of all of Pizza Tower. Let's end this battle. Unexpectacy going up and down the snow. Turning back. Like the wind that I got to protect my dear tower. This is my house, you won't become the final boss encounter. So come on, bring all you got. Doesn't change the fact that this is my turf. You're nothing, not even a man with any words.
Shut your mouth, stop fucking, go to hell, fucking clown. Threaten my pizza store, you had all that for. Now I have a line, place will be a design where I knock it down.
Hey, you do you know who I am? Pizza Head, remember well, think that you're a loving man because of art. If you can't check yourself, remember just where your brains in tower.
You have made my climb so this and now will pass the speed, so throw it on the ground and leave it rotting. You have made my day into a living hell. Run, so now the Venus getting raped. I don't even need a laser. Is this a funny? Are you laughing? Did you get your your people find? I'll put an end to your kingdom if you're going down the end. And a piece of land topple a tower and crumble. Your kingdom of cheese eats ahead of thrash you. Eats ahead of kill you. It's no longer about my score. You have pushed me to the brink. Now your life I will sink.